Hey love, would you mind watering the plants?
Gladly. What's my line again? Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn. We built a bigger, better water blaster.
We're gonna shoot some stuff with it. Go, go. We're gonna test it against a store-bought super soaker.
Oh, God dang it.
But first, we're gonna show you what makes this so cool.
Before we get into the build, I want to thank Audible for sponsoring us.
You can get a free book and a 30-day trial if you go to audible.com/Evan and Katelyn.
Or text Evan and Katelyn to 500-500.
Okay, onto the blaster!
All right, so we have this fancy CAD plan and all the parts. Let's see if assembling it goes as planned. We're gonna start off by assembling the water reservoir, and this is also where the nozzle is gonna attach.
Go here, but we don't want it pulling water from here. We want it to pull water from the bottom of the reservoir. So we're gonna run a hose through it to do that. We need to attach the hose to this bushing, but it doesn't have any threads, so we're gonna tap it, add threads, and then assemble it.
One of our favorite parts from our last Super Soaker was this 3D printed nozzle. We made it a little bit longer, and hopefully that'll help with even more laminar flow.
So next up, we did a little 3D printing. This was partially to keep everything more structurally sound.
And it's so that we can pressurize it with this. This is the last piece, and I don't know how I'm gonna assemble it.
What if we pull these out, put that in place, and then drive them from this side?
Oh, no, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it works! It holds pressure!
It sounds like it's farting.
Ready to test it? Too much, too much. Oh God. Oh, it's leaking.
Oh my gosh.
It's leaking pretty severely.
It's leaking from the front. I go ahead and press the trigger just anyways. Yeah!
Wow! Okay, so, right, we gotta fix the leaks.
We really gotta fix the leaks, but it works. Hopefully this will help with holding it. We added a strap from an old laptop bag.
Now we're gonna talk about the leaks. That's the real issue here, is that water is pouring out of the front right now. So we think we might just be able to tighten up some of the front parts. See if that fixes the leaks?
Yeah, otherwise we're gonna need a montage.
Gonna need a montage!
Oh yeah, this wasn't tight at all. All right, take two. How's the strap working?
Better, yeah.
Right? it looks kind of funky. Your arm pointing backwards.
I don't know any other way to do this.
All right, there you go.
It's not leaking.
Not leaking.
Yeah, should shoot. Oh, whoa! It's a lot more power.
Nice. You got me.
So, now what?
All right, guys, are you ready for some destruction? First, we have a confession to make, though.
We built this blaster to look way cooler, to have a battery-powered pump, to be able to shoot continually for longer, and we succeeded at that.
And while looking cool is super important, I'm not sure why I thought that'd make it more powerful, though. I was just like, I had this epiphany. I saw it, we were like, okay. Why did I think that?
I still think we can get creative with some destruction.
Next. Jello?
Whoa.
Oh man!
It
just slid off. Oh no! It sliced it!
Whoa.
It sliced it! Oh my gosh! It sliced it in half! Okay, we gotta get that in slow motion. My hand! Oh! That was nasty. Ah!
God. Oh God.
Oh, this is gonna be horrible.
It just became this slimy creature. Oh, it's so gross. Oh, it's just like guts. Oh, this is body stuff.
Oh!
Oh, God. Come on! Yes! We totally sliced a banana.
The epic power of our water blaster! That's so gross. That's so gross.
Real good banana.
No, a little bit watery, but good.
All jokes aside about the shooting power of this guy, I still think it's way better than a store-bought one.
I think it's way better, and I think we should test it. First test, wet t-shirt contest? 3, 2, 1, go!
So gonna destroy you! Oh no, I'm running away! No!
We both ran out of water at about the same time.
No, I'm back! It might have seemed close, but it wasn't. I definitely won. Okay, this one's recording.
5, 4, 3, 2, oh.
Hey.
Go! Oh, God dang it!
This is so easy.
It doesn't fire down! Ah. Technical difficulties! Oh, I think mine lost. It failed me. This leaky butt gun.
I feel like I had an unfair advantage, but I'll take it. Evan's dream is just to shoot things with measurements in front of them.
3, 2, 1. And I felt very Mythbusters-y. Hopefully you got something. That's a dream come true. That's awesome. 3, 2, 1.
That's gonna really show it. Our gun definitely won.
Our gun definitely won in 2 categories, 3 categories. It felt cooler. It fires a lot faster, like rapid fire, boom, 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 boom. If you had like 10 targets you needed to hit.
The precision.
The precision
is very.
Very pew. I don't know how many things we're up to, but it also went faster. All right, so I think that satisfies my curiosity. This thing is awesome, and I had so much fun.
Is this when we go to an outro?
One of the best things about summer is getting to relax and enjoy a nice audiobook. That's why we're super excited to be partnering with Audible. I've been using Audible for the last 8 years because they have the biggest library of audiobooks, and I tend to binge listen every now and then. Seriously, I have 329 books in my library, and I love it.
Every month you get a credit or 2 for a new book, and those roll over if you don't use them. You can exchange an audiobook if you don't like it, and if you decide to cancel your membership, you still get to keep your books forever.
A book we both recently listened to and really loved was Seven Eves. No spoilers since it's the first line of the book, but it literally starts with the moon exploding and it just keeps on getting better. If that sounds like fun to you, head over to audible.com/EvanandKatelyn or text Evan and Katelyn to 500-500 to get a free audiobook and a 30-day trial. And right now, Amazon Prime members get 3 months for the price of 1, but only until July 31st, so hop on it.
Oops.
Oh God, that's so close to my face. We need a name for this water blaster. We're hoping that you guys might have some good ideas. So if you have any, let us know in the comments below, because next week we're flying up to Bill and Britt's from Punished Props and we're gonna make this look cool and we wanna put the name on it.
Somewhere.
So let us know.
And if you like this video, you're in luck because we make a new video every single week, so make sure you're subscribed. And if you click that little bell thing, you'll get notified of our videos and you get special imaginary points. I don't know what the points are good for, but you get them. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen. You're shooting the camera.
This is so big.
There's a weight system too, you know? To add water to bulk up even more. You're missing so much.
My muscles are sweating.